A first step from the city of Los Angeles to remove police officers from responding to mental health emergencies. The city of LA wants to send in counselors and mental health people instead of uniformed officers. Our investigator, Leonard, right now takes a look at how this is going to work.
These vans are part of the first test project in LA, where mental health workers and counselors will be on call around the clock, just like firefighters, ready to roll to mental health emergencies instead of police officers or fire department paramedics.
It's pulling things off of our plate and putting them with our mental health professionals, putting them with peer leaders, people who understand and outreach and can engage with people experiencing a mental health episode.
The vans will be based at 5 LA City fire stations to start. 911 dispatchers will be able to send the response teams directly, potentially reducing the number of calls and the number of patients paramedics take to hospitals.
Which we believe will provide a higher level of professional care for people experiencing a mental health emergency, help in reducing overcrowding at our local hospital emergency rooms, while keeping our firefighters and police officers more available for true life-threatening emergencies.
The therapeutic transportation pilot program will also connect people who don't need inpatient care to telephonic counseling or other resources. LA Mayor Eric Garcetti says it should lead to better outcomes for people in need, while simultaneously accomplishing what activists have demanded: less police intervention in non-criminal emergencies.
Something that the police will embrace, because they would love to see mental health professionals out there in those early morning hours, that our firefighters can embrace so they can get back and go on another call.
These new on-call teams begin work in January, and they have the potential to be a real game changer. Until now, if police had to resolve a mental health crisis, often the only outcome was an arrest or jail. And if firefighters were sent, that would mean a trip to the hospital. Officials say right now everyone in the city and county are eager to try out programs like these, though the mechanics of how they'll work long-term and who will pay still needs to be resolved. I'm investigative reporter Leonard, NBC4 News.